BMW's Munich subsidiary is the largest worldwide. 250 people work in the main enterprise at Frankfurter Ring alone, including 130 mechanics, allowing 300 to 400 cars to pass through the garage per day. If we add to this the number of newly registered new cars which are delivered to their proud owners here, that is an incredible number of customer cars every day. How can anyone keep track of which car is where on site at any given point in time? How can the transparency of the processes be improved? Using electronic waves, RFID transponders make it possible to identify cars even through thick concrete walls. An innovative RFID system is proving itself in use every day at the BMW subsidiary in Munich. Being able to determine the location and processing status of a vehicle in real time gives us a level of transparency never seen before in our internal processes. This wouldn't have been possible with conventional methods. In that sense, the decision to use an RFID-based solution was definitely the right one. Annika Loschner has an inspection appointment for her 3 Series convertible today. Ideally, she'd like to wait until it's finished, since she has an urgent business meeting in Vienna later today. Camera recognition is used to scan the number plate of each customer car as it enters the site. The employee assigns a guide number to Ms. Loschner's car, which is 1072. An RFID transponder is integrated into the guide number. Ms. Loschner attaches the guide number to her car's rear view mirror. The employee allocates the guide number to the number plate, which has already been scanned. From now on, the car can be promptly located by the system on the entire campus. Sensors and wear ports from Zebra Enterprise Solutions are installed all over the BMW Munich branch site, in the parking areas and workshops. These devices allow pinpoint or aerial tracking as required. A total of 70 location sensors and wear ports are installed. Together with the BMW subsidiary in Munich, Dimension Data has implemented an RFID location solution which provides optimum support for the customer in the service process and meets the particular requirements of a BMW subsidiary. The real factor in our success here was its integration into the existing IT architecture. BMW Service Consultancy. A service consultant discusses the assignment with Ms. Loschner. At the same time, he checks the vehicle visually for any leaks or damage on the underbody or exhaust. All work to be done is recorded using an iPad. As he finishes the order entry, the service consultant notices the worn-out windscreen wipers and advises his customer to have these replaced at the same time. After the service consultant has pressed the green call button, he accompanies Ms. Loschner to the customer waiting area. Pressing the call button, also known as the where call button, signals for a member of staff from the driver pool to drive the 3 Series BMW from the service lift into the parking area. The convertible spends the few minutes before it's repaired on a short-term parking lot. Ms. Loschner can follow the progress of work on her car, guide number 1072, step by step on a monitor in the customer waiting room. She can prepare for her important meeting in Vienna restfully. RFID vehicle tracking keeps customers informed about the status of their vehicles at all times. The visualization of the service process creates enormous transparency. In the workshop, work on another customer vehicle is now complete. The assembler lets the workshop schedulers know by pressing a button. The colleague of the central services reacts straight away. Ms. Loschner's white 3 Series is up next. A scheduler immediately sends an order to driver scheduling. The convertible is quickly driven from the short-stay car park to the free service lift. Thanks to RFID tracking, the car can be located quickly and driven to the free space in the garage without any loss of efficiency. Ms. Loschner now wants to know if it looks like she'll be able to leave for Vienna in good time. A quick look at the monitor reassures her, and she can devote her attention once again to her work and a delicious cappuccino. Not a moment is wasted in the workshop. The inspection is carried out carefully and as planned. As well as the small inspection, the front windscreen wipers are replaced at the same time. A push of the green button signals to the central services that the car with guide number 1072 is ready and can be picked up by the driver pool. Ms. Loschner's 3 Series is already on the way to its next port of call. A BMW professional carries out quality control. Needless to say, this also includes testing the brakes. The professional is happy. As expected, all maintenance work has been carried out with care. In the customer center, Ms. Loschner looks at the monitor from time to time and can see how the work is progressing in real time. Next stop. The sensors reliably capture the transponder on the rear-view mirror once again and log that the 3 Series has left the car wash. In just a few minutes, Ms. Loschner will be on her way to Vienna in a nice clean car. The system has proved itself superbly in operation. Its use has made us even more efficient, which certainly benefits our customers too. A driver from the driver pool has now made the convertible ready for collection and brings the key and the order sheet to the till. In the customer waiting room, Ms. Loschner sees the promising news in the line with her guide number. The waiting is over, earlier than expected. She goes to the till. The bill has already been prepared and is explained to the customer in detail. After settlement, a staff member releases the gateway. Less than an hour between arrival and completion.
Here at the
BMW Munich subsidiary at Frankfurter Ring, we put the new location system to productive use. After the planning, implementation and test phases, we've seen very positive results for the benefit of our customers. Our system partner Dimension Data has provided us with outstanding support in this endeavor. Just cleaned, the customer car is ready to go. Annika Loschner is happy. She's well prepared and can enjoy her drive to Vienna with the roof down and no rush.